15 secrets airport staff don't want you to know. Have you ever been stuck in an airport desperately wishing you knew what was really going on behind those staff doors? Well, my friends, today we're pulling back the curtain on the airline industry. From hidden lounges to free upgrades, we'll expose 15 secrets that airlines don't want you to know, but that airport staff, in hushed tones, might just reveal. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's prepare for takeoff. Secret number 1. The upgrade game. Let's be honest, who hasn't dreamt of gliding through those luxurious curtains into the promised land of first class? Well, here's the thing. Sometimes it's not about how much you paid, but how charming you are. That's right, folks. I'm talking about the elusive free upgrade. Airport staff, those gatekeepers of comfort, actually have a bit of discretion. Dress sharp, be polite, and you might just find yourself sipping champagne instead of economy class despair. It's a long shot, sure, but like winning the lottery, it happens. Secret number 2. The mythical lounges. Ever walked through an airport and felt a mysterious breeze like stepping into a wealthy ghost? You might have been near a hidden lounge, my friend. These havens of peace, often tucked away behind unmarked doors, are the stuff of airport legend. They're not advertised, not on any map, but they exist, offering weary travelers a sanctuary from the chaos. How do you find them? Well, that's a secret for another time. Secret number 3, baggage fees. Be gone. We've all been there, staring in horror at the check-in counter as the baggage fees rack up. But listen closely, because this secret might just save you some cash. Airline staff can sometimes waive those pesky fees. Be polite, be persuasive, and you might just save some cash. Chapter 4. Secret number 4. The security shuffle. We've all been there, shoes off, laptops out, nervously inching through the security line. But here's a secret that might just blow your mind. Those random checks? They're not always so random. Security staff, those masters of observation, are trained to spot telltale signs of, well, let's just say, suspicious behavior. So next time you're at the airport, remember, act natural, or you might just find yourself on the receiving end of a very thorough pat-down. Chapter 5, secret number 5, the nap time network. Delayed flight got you down, exhausted from navigating the airport labyrinth? Well, perk up, weary traveler, because some airports have a secret hidden sleeping areas. These aren't your standard airport benches, mind you. We're talking about actual designated nap zones, often tucked away near staff areas. Now, I'm not saying you should go full-on Goldilocks and try out every bed you find, but if you're desperate for some shut-eye, it can't hurt to discreetly inquire with airport staff. You never know what kind of slumber secrets they might reveal. Chapter 6. Secret number 6. Discounts fit for a king. Airport food, with its inflated prices, is often the butt of many a travel joke. But what if I told you there's a way to dine like royalty without bankrupting your travel budget? That's right, folks. I'm talking about staff discounts. Many airport restaurants offer their hard-working employees a hefty price cut, and sometimes they extend that discount to friendly passengers. The key? Be charming, be polite, and tip generously. Chapter 7. Secret number 7. The flight whisperers. Flight delayed? Gate changed at the last minute? Don't despair, my friends, because airport staff are often privy to a wealth of flight information that's not publicly available. They're like the oracles of the airport, with access to real-time updates, insider knowledge, and the occasional off-the-record whisper about which flights are truly doomed. So, if you find yourself in a travel pickle, don't be afraid to approach airport staff with your questions. They just might have the information you need to navigate the chaos and emerge victorious. Chapter 8. Secret number 8. The terminal maze runners. Ever watched airport staff scurry through impossible doorways and wondered what secrets lie beyond? Airports are riddled with secret passageways, utilitarian corridors, maintenance shafts, and service elevators. Next time you're late for a flight, remember those secret passageways. They exist, but they're not for the faint of heart or those without a staff badge. Chapter 9. Secret number 9. The Wi-Fi whisperers. Let's be honest, in this day and age, free airport Wi-Fi is about as essential as oxygen and water. But sometimes, those precious Wi-Fi codes seem to be guarded more closely than the crown jewels. Fear not, fellow travelers, because I'm here to let you in on a little secret. Airport staff are often the keepers of the Wi-Fi keys. That's right, those friendly faces behind the information desks and check-in counters often have access to a treasure trove of free Wi-Fi codes. Chapter 10, Secret number 10, The Artful Dodgers. Airports aren't exactly known for their inspiring ambiance, but hidden beneath the sterile surfaces and endless rows of identical seats lies a secret world of art. That's right, folks, some airports are home to secret art installations, tucked away like hidden gems waiting to be discovered. We're not just talking about the occasional dreary sculpture or generic landscape painting. We're talking about thought-provoking murals, whimsical sculptures, and even the occasional avant-garde performance piece. Chapter 11, Secret number 11, The Security Fast Track. The security line, the bane of every traveler's existence. But what if I told you there's a secret way to bypass the queues and glide through security like a VIP? I'm talking about the power of observation, a friendly smile, and a little bit of luck. Airport staff can direct passengers to less crowded security lanes or expedite the screening process. Chapter 12, Secret number 12, View from the Top. Most think of airport observation decks as relics, replaced by sterile waiting areas and overpriced coffee shops. But some airports still offer breathtaking views of the tarmac and the majestic dance of aircraft. These secret decks are often hidden from the main terminal's hustle and bustle. Chapter 13, Secret number 13, The Seat Upgrade Shuffle. We've discussed the elusive free upgrade at the gate, but there's another chance to score a seat upgrade even after you've boarded the plane. It's all about timing, charm, and luck. Flight attendants often have discretion with seat assignments. They might relocate a deserving passenger. Chapter 14, Secret number 14, The Charging Station Oasis. Picture this. Your phone battery is on its last legs and you're desperately searching for an outlet in the vast expanse of the airport terminal. You're starting to panic, envisioning a future without Google Maps, social media, or the ability to call for help if your luggage ends up in a different time zone. But wait, before you resign yourself to a life unplugged, remember this. Airports are full of hidden charging stations, and airport staff are often the key to unlocking these power-giving oases. Chapter 15, Secret number 15, The Crowd Crushers, Airports. Those bustling hubs of humanity, where personal space goes to die and patience is tested at every turn. But what if I told you there's a secret to navigating the airport crowds like a seasoned traveler? It's all about timing, my friends. Airport staff, those veterans of countless arrivals and departures, know the ebb and flow of the crowds better than anyone. They know when the security lines are at their peak, when the check-in counters are overflowing, and when the gates become a sea of stressed-out travelers. So, there you have it, 15 secrets that airport staff might just whisper about, but the airlines definitely don't want you to know. Remember, knowledge is power, and armed with these insider tips, you can navigate the airport like a pro. From scoring free upgrades to uncovering hidden lounges, the possibilities are endless. If you found these secrets helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and tricks, because remember, the friendly skies are a little friendlier when you know the secrets.